5 series up here. This will be a good fun build too. You know, you can tune it up and stuff like that. I don't see no body damage from this side. 5 series. Yeah, yes. Need some lights. Look pretty good though. Yep. Just a little something back on the bumper. 535i. That's a good build. Did it catch on fire or something? I see this mirror messed up. Just some mirrors and headlights. Let's crank it up, see what it sounds like. Interior, not too bad. Not dirty. Hot as hell though. Open these doors up. What was that? Where that mat come from? Got the lights on. That's why I was making that noise. Oh, just got the door open. Need a new one of them. Smell my keys. I don't know why I won't start. The battery's good though, it's not dead. Oh, I gotta put it in. I thought it was like mine. Oh, sound pretty good. Let me pop the hood. Oh no, not no music. Turn that down. Gotta check engine light. And just break the seatbelt. Yeah, this would be a good build for the right price, guys. Right price. Let's see what's in this trunk. Look like they kept it pretty clean. Battery look brand new. Dang. Got a little bark to it now. Big bucket. Well, oh shit. I might be get that bumper sticking up a little bit. Let's see what's under this hood. I need to clean these wheels. They've been brakes and rotors. That's why I turn the lights off. Oh, it's definitely gonna need to be replaced. Don't look too bad. Don't hear no knocking, no nothing. They got the battery connection on the left side. Mine is on the right side. Look like it just need to be cleaned off though. Just that, oh, need a mic. I don't think you need a front bumper though. Just the just paint it. Yeah. Damn, I ain't see this. Got this. I ain't just seen it. It's not too bad though. I can fix that. I think they can fix that. I don't know how they do that. They must have just bagged up into something. Got that dent right there. Sounds good though. It's not too bad of a project for somebody. Especially me just starting a good project. Alright guys. But you know, what else I see? Pretty good day out here though. Got a Honda Civic here, guys. This might be the last one. Let me see what time it is. Battery about dead as hell. Yeah, we got 15 minutes. I might see something going up to the front, but this right here is pretty good too. Got some little damage in the front. It's not too major though, so. Oh, that's shit. I don't know. I can't see this side. Airbags is, well, still not too bad. It's got the airbags deployed. Yeah. I'm gonna just walk up. About to close. I'm gonna go to another location tomorrow for you guys. It's a Lexus over here. Pretty nice. Check that out, then we can get up out of here. I'll check you guys out later. See one more Beamer, guys. Look like it's put all the pieces though. But this look like a 2021. Look like a 7 series or 5 series. I think it's 5 series. Yeah, 540. Dang, just need a door. Airbags. Front right here. Hood looks pretty good. Bumper, lights. Not too bad. I don't know if it'll crank with these airbags like that. Got the M package. M package. Damn, interior hard. Yeah, she dead. I think the door might have been open. Got another look like an M3 right there. But yeah, guys, first day, so first walk around was pretty good. They got this Lexus Jeep. I got about 5 minutes before I had to get out of here. Looked pretty good though from that side. Looked pretty good, just older. Dang. 111,000 miles. Yeah, they look pretty good. Body wise. Solid good finds though for first walk around. Dang, I ain't expect this. Wasn't the best, but for the little time that I was out here was. So, alright guys, check you out in a minute. Yeah guys, just finished the first walk around. It was alright. Professional people here. They got the sign right here, 1-800. So fast. We buy cars. I'm about to go to the car wash. And I'll check you guys out when I get there. Yeah, she about dirty, boy. About dirty. Damn, my battery about to die. I got an extra battery though. Alright, I'll check y'all out in a minute.